This video demonstrates product installation instructions for Bond & Flash SA self-adhering stainless steel flashing. Bond & Flash SA has 2 mils of type 3 or 4 stainless steel on one side, on the other a permanent clear adhesive with a removable silicone-coated release liner. Application for CMU backup. The substrate and air temperature must be 32 degrees Fahrenheit and rising. In preparation, the surface should be reasonably smooth, free from any loose material including dirt, and must be completely dry. Prime the surface with a brush, roller or spray-on using Bond & Flash primer. Once the primer is dry, we can install the drip edge. Drip edge flashing creates an extension beyond the wall plane and turns down at an angle of 45 degrees to form a drip. It forces moisture away from the wall surface. We are now ready to install Bond & Flash SA. Apply the flashing to the primed surface in sections no greater than 8 feet, peeling the release paper off before application. The flashing is recessed 3/4 of an inch. Use a roller to firmly press the flashing onto the surface without air pockets. All laps should be a minimum of 4 inches. After installing the overlapping section of flashing, apply a 1/2 inch thick bead of Bond & Flash mastic along the joint and tool it down to 1/4 of an inch with an 1.5 inch wide putty knife. We'll install termination bar at the top of the flashing to secure it to the backup. A lip provides a channel for caulking to prevent moisture penetration, so we'll seal it with a 3/8 thick bead of mastic and lightly tool it down to 1/4 of an inch. Since we are using Cavity Net DT, a mortar deflection device, we have installed the flashing 16 inches up on the wall, 6 inches higher than the 10-inch height of the Cavity Net DT. For more information, please visit wirebond.com.